In order to export a DWG from SketchUp, we will choose the drawings that we want exported as a DWG. In this example, we will export the vertical section that we created here. We will turn on the planes and choose the vertical section here. Then right click on it and choose Online View. So this is the cut we want. We will turn off the section planes. Then we will turn on the parallel projection as we learned in the previous lesson. The model becomes far like this after we chose parallel projection. Adjust the frame as we like. Then once we satisfied with the frame, from File menu we will choose Export and choose 2D Graphic. Then select the location of the DWG file. And we will find here the file name and the format that it will be saved as it. There are more than one type. There are formats for image, PDF, and other formats. But the format we want to export is DWG to open in AutoCAD. From options, we will choose the AutoCAD version available to us and make sure that full scale option is checked, so scale 1:1. Click OK. Then we will name this file Section B. Then click Export. So this file is a DWG file. I will open it. This is the file. We notice that there are good details. The window and the door hand. Also, this line in background is exported. We can delete it if we want. And we start editing it as we need. Also, check the scale of these drawings. So if we measured length of something, we know to make sure of the drawing scale. For example, we can check on the scale by measure this door width. This width is 90 centimeters. And also its measure in SketchUp is 90 centimeters. So now we sure that the DWG file scale is 1:1. If we don't want to extract the background or any details in the depths, and only want to export the section slice of this section plane, from File menu we can export it by choosing Section Slice. In the previous time we chose 2D Graphic, but this time we will choose Section Slice. And this window tells us that the file format is either DWG or DXF, because we will export a slice and it will be AutoCAD format only. So select DWG, then click on Options, check AutoCAD version, then the scale, and click OK. Then name the file. We will name it Section B2. Then click Export. You will notice that only the lines intersected with the section plane is exported in Section B2. So this is today's lesson, and the next lesson will be an introduction for shadows in SketchUp.